very good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to our e-learning class. In Math Magic, we were doing chapter number 4, Tick Tick Tick. Okay, and related to that, in Composite Maths, you will do chapter number 18, Time. Okay, so let's start today chapter number 18, Time of Composite Maths. See, in time, it is about the clock or about the measurement. Okay, as you know, the clock, it has two hands. One is the hour hand and one is the minute hand. The shorter one is called the hour hand, it tells you the hours, and the bigger hand or the longer hand is called the minute hand, which informs you about the minutes. And as you know that there are small divisions between 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Okay, so these small divisions, it has 60 small divisions in 1 hour. That means 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Similarly, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. And 1 day, in 1 day we have 24 hours. Okay, so this is for the time. And I think you all know to see the clock. Okay, you have to see the clock and you have to tell the time. Come to exercise number 62. That is page 251. The first question, fill in the blanks, and one has been done for you. The first one is already done, you have to write the others. First one, it is given that hour hand is at 8 and minute hand is at 12. So it is 8 o'clock. Similarly, 6, hour hand is at 6 and minute hand is at 12. So naturally it will be 6 o'clock. Then hour hand at 11, minute hand at 12. So it is 11 o'clock. You will write in the book itself. Number D, it will be 7 o'clock, and number E, it will be 12 o'clock, because both the hands, the hour hand as well as the minute hand, both the hands are in 12. So you will write it 12 o'clock. Now question number 2. Look at the figure of each clock and write down the time shown by it in two different ways. You have to write the time in two different ways. Okay, the clock or the time is being shown to you. The first one, can you tell the first one what is the time? Yes, it is 9 o'clock. So how you will write? This is exercise 62, question 2A. So first you will write in figures, that is 9 o'clock, and then you will write in words like this, 9 o'clock. Similarly, number B, it is given 6:10. That means 10 minutes past 6. It is 10 minutes after 6, so it will be 10 minutes past 6. Similarly, number C, it is given 8:20 and 20 minutes past 8. That means 20 minutes have passed after 8 o'clock. So you are writing 20 minutes after 8. The next page, 252. Here the others are very easy. You will do of your own. Okay, from D to L. Now question number 3. Look at the figure of each clock and write down the time shown by it in 3 different ways. Now you have to write the time in 3 ways, 3 different ways. Okay, so again start from the first one. Question number 3, the first one, you can see that it is 1:40. So in the circle you will write 1:40. Now more 2 ways you have to write. You can write that 40 minutes past 1 o'clock, isn't it? 40 minutes have passed 1 o'clock. Now for 1 it will be the time 2. So how many left for how much time is left for 2 o'clock? It is 20 minutes. So the next you will write that 20 minutes to, this is 2, that means apno bajini, it will be. So it is 2. 20 minutes to 2. Similarly, number C, the time is given 6:40 47. You will count the small divisions also. Okay, so it is given 47, so it will be 6:47, and you will write 47 minutes past 6. Okay, 47 minutes past 6. And if it is 2, then what you will write? 30 minutes to 7. 30 minutes to 7. Here I am writing minutes in short. You will write in the full form. Okay, because my board is small, that's why I am writing minutes in small. So 6:47 it will be. Now come to D, E and F. So D, E and F you will do of your own. You have to write in 3 ways. Number D it is 5:36, and number E it is 12:45, and number F it is 9:55. Okay, so I think you can write of your own. Now question number 4. Question number 4, the time is given to you and the hour hand is drawn. Draw the minute hand to show the correct time. Now for question number 4, this also you will do in the book only. For question number 4, you have to draw the minute hand. The hour hand is drawn. You have to draw the minute hand. Okay. The first one is 3:25. The hour hand, that means it is 3 given. You have to draw the minute hand. So minute hand it will naturally be in 5. That's why 25 is given. So the minute hand or the longer hand you will draw to 5. Similarly 20 minutes past 1, that means the time is 1:20. So the hour hand it is between 1 and 2, and the minute hand it will be in 4 to show 20 minutes. Okay. Similarly number C, 17 minutes past 9. So the hour hand it is between 9 and 10, and you will show 17 minutes. That means for 3 it will be 15, then you will count 2 small divisions, that will give you 17. Clear? The rest of the clock or the rest of the minute hand you draw in the book. Now come to question number 5. Write the following time in figures. Now you have to write in figures. It is given in words, just you will write in figures. Okay, so let us write this one. So question number 5, number A. In words it is given 5 o'clock. So you will write 5:00. Okay. Then number B. 25 minutes past 7. That means 7:25. 25 minutes past 7. Suppose I am doing number D. Quarter past 4. Now what is the meaning of quarter? Quarter means 15. Okay. If it is past, that means 15 minutes has passed. And if it is quarter to, that means 15 minutes are left. Okay. Here it is given quarter past 4. That means 15 minutes have passed after 4. So you will write 4:15. Similarly, number E. It is given 9:30. Now 9:30 means it is 30 minutes. Okay. 30 minutes have passed after 9. That means the time is 9:30. Similarly, number F. 10 minutes to 6. That means it is 10 minutes left to be 6. You will write 5:50, because if you will add 10, then you will get 6 o'clock. And after that, come to number H. Number H, it is quarter to. That means the 15 minutes are left to 7. So that will be 6:45. Because you will add 45 plus 15, then it will be 7. Okay. So quarter to will be 15 minutes left, and quarter past means 15 minutes have already passed. Okay. Now come to question number 6. Now question number 6. The first one is 40 minutes past 5. That means 40 minutes are already past 5. So dash minutes to 6. See, if here you are not able to guess the time, just you will subtract 60 minutes from this 40 minutes, because 1 hour it has 60 minutes. So here it is 40. So 60 minus 40, that means 20. So 20 minutes to 6. Similarly, number B, 34 minutes past 11. So 34 minutes have passed after 11 o'clock. So dash minutes to 12. Again subtract 60 minus 34. It will give you 26. 26 minutes to 12 o'clock. Now next is 53 minutes past 8. And that side it is written dash minute to dash. 2 is given. That means the time is to be 8. So naturally it will be here 9. And 53 minutes past. Okay. So how much time is left to be 9? Again subtract 60 minus 53. It will be 7. Okay. So 7 minutes to 9. Similarly, number D, quarter to 7. That is dash minute past dash. Quarter to 7 means the 7 has not been. The 7 is to be. Okay. So this will be 45. 45 minutes past 6. Number E, 14 minutes to 9. 14 minutes to 9. So dash minutes past, naturally it will be 8. And 60 minus 40, it will be 46. So 46 minutes past 8 o'clock. And in other way we can say 14 minutes to 9. Similarly, quarter to 7, in other way we can say 45 minutes past 6. Then 53 minutes past 8. In other way we can say 7 minutes to 9. And the B1, 34 minutes past 11 or 26 minutes to 12. Then A, 40 minutes past 5 or 20 minutes to 6. All are, you have to write the time in like this way. Okay. So today up to this only, you practice the time and do the questions in your book itself. Okay. So for today, bye all of you. We will do the next exercise in our next class.